to cash out Steam wallet. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you will be able to cash out your Steam wallet. So for that, just open your Steam account and after that just log into your account. So unfortunately there isn't a direct way to cash out from your Steam wallet directly, but the easiest way and the most preferred way to cash out money from your Steam wallet is to send a Steam gift card to friend. So just click on Steam gift card from the home screen on the left hand side corner, and after that on this page you will see these two options, gift cards and digital gift cards. So just click on send a digital gift card, and after that just select the amount of the money that you want to cash out from your Steam account. So for example the first one, and after that on this page just mention the name of the friend that you want to send the gift card to, and you can also write a short message to that particular friend that you are sending the gift card to, that you would want to receive the same amount of money that you are sending as a gift card to that friend in your bank account directly in the form of cash. And after that, once you are done adding the details, just click on continue, and after that on the next page you have to mention your payment info and make the purchase through your debit card or credit card. Just select the payment option and the payment method and complete your transaction. And once your friend receive your Steam gift card, and after that he or she can transfer you the same amount of money that they have received in a form of gift card from you in your bank account. So this way you will be able to cash out from your Steam wallet. I hope that I'll be able to answer your question to cash out your Steam wallet. So that's how you do it. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.